couldn't help the time it took in it. But yeah, boy shift. I'm back. Let's see how long for. But majority of the work is done. Um, yeah, turbo kit's on. Um, G35 1050 max speed and rods. Turbo. It's just a rep of a Garrett G35 1050. So it should be alright for the power I'm trying to go for, about 650, 700 brake. Not trying to set any fucking records and that. I'm just trying to have a kind of a bit of a Jap laggy Supra Skyline experience type shit. Yeah, I'll insert some videos and photos of what's been done, but single exit out the back, completely new exhaust system, obviously the turbo, fucking meth kit's in, but apparently the fuel line is too short, so I have to wait for that. Probably won't be able to use it at pod this year, which is what I'm aiming for and what I've been trying to aim for. But a lot of the prep that I was planning to do I can't do, which always ends up being the case for me. So gonna have to fucking rock out the way I am in it. Currently the car is on low boost. It's still, the power delivery is still nuts. Very different from what the CTS used to be, but it's gonna be. It's a turbo that was made for like 1,000 horsepower or some shit. Yeah. The car's been with Works Motorsport down in fucking Dorset, so that was a 3.5 hour drive there. It's been there since Feb. Went to collect it yesterday. Alongside going to the beach and shit with my partner, and went to collect it. I can't complain about the work that they've done unless something arises. Obviously they're busy, they've got multiple things on, multiple single turbo builds, R35, stuff like that. But yeah, the reason why I went there initially anyways, because I wanted a Turbo Smart straight gate instead of a normal external wastegate. Obviously, obviously that might have been a bit easier to do, as in plumbing in and fabrication work and stuff, but I wanted to keep some of the external, not the external, the electronic wastegate controls for the ECU and stuff. So I wanted it to kind of have boost kick in the way my car came in standard, control wise anyway. But yeah, they done it on an S55 build before, and B58s have been using that. I think Walton Motorsport use that straight gate. Overkill Performance use the straight gate, I think they do, or used to. And obviously I'd asked them prior, I think, if they could make a manifold for me. I think Overkill Performance, they made one, and vowed they would never make one again, which was brilliant for me. Walton Motorsport make S55 kits, which aren't too indifferent from the M55, but yeah, they weren't willing to do it, because I think their stuff is already like prefabricated. They know the dimensions they would have to make, like a custom jig for mine, so they denied me. But yeah, Works Motorsport took on the build, which was, it looked like a headache. Yeah, it took a while, but finally got the car back. I'll probably try and make some videos with it, probably on the boost setting that it's on now, a couple pulls if I can, and then the car is getting mapped, or it's been mapped by HTE Performance. He's out in America. He works with Osprey, because I think Osprey don't use or don't do N55s, or they probably would stay away from them. And a lot of people don't touch N55s anymore. Velocity tuning I don't think. Where is it? Yeah, a lot of people just don't do them, or they'll do them on some other tuning software, not MHD. So HDT Performance said that he had no issue doing it. He enjoys doing M55s. He's got a really good following, so I thought I might as well do it with him. I've known about him for a while, but yeah. So I'm just running the base map. I don't know what PSI setting it is yet, but just waiting on him to do the revision, and then I'll probably do another upload with it again. But yeah, no, the car's back. It's nuts thing. It sounds crazy. There's a couple internal things I want to do, as in I've got a new steering wheel. The partner gratefully bought me for my birthday. I bought an M2 class stud just so I can monitor oil temperature levels and stuff, but I don't know, I think I've gone off of it. I've had it too long just sitting there. I bought some 17s for the car so I can run high profile tyres, but don't know if I'm gonna have the time to fucking put it on, to be fair, before pod or Olmo Street car. But yeah, I'm mainly just going for a vibe, and people see the strange fucking Frankenstein build, Chinesian build that I've done, and the fact that it is running and impressive. And then kind of impressive anyway. But yeah, that's in a bit.